MSSD, uplifting Bangsamoro lives.
This activity entitled Tanglaw, a media forum on bridging communication for effective social services in the Bangsamoro. Essentially, this is one way of providing information that you may use to disseminate the same to your readers, to your watchers, to inform the public on the work of MSSD.
Okay, Tanglaw, which is a Filipino word that means light, no? Is a program of the Ministry of Social Services and Development to strengthen and enhance our partnership with our media practitioners across the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, and even those serving in the national landscape. Essentially, this is part of our opportunity to clarify matters about the services and programs delivered by the MSSD. It's also an opportunity for us to inform the public as to how we are spending the public funds that have been allocated towards the Ministry of Social Services and Development.
Kung para mas inform po tayo sa pag-craft ng ating mga programs, sa pagbigay ng ating intervention, pag-deliver natin ng mga services, dyan nakafocus yung resources. Ito po yung pagtingin namin nung nag-shift tayo ng hindi lang response. We have to help them prepare. We have to change their mindset. We have to track them. We have to provide them assistance during the disaster and also help them towards recovery.
Isa po sa mandate po natin is to ensure access to quality assured social welfare services. Especially na itong divisions na to ay kami po yung nagre-regulate doon sa ating mga social welfare and development agencies.
MSSD in the Bangsamoro is committed to providing comprehensive, gender-responsive, and inclusive programs and services to vulnerable populations in the Bangsamoro region. Protective Services Welfare Division. So, these programs po, lahat pong ito ay collectively upholds the MSSD's mission of building safe, inclusive, empowered Bangsamoro communities.
Today is a very long day, no? So, nakita ninyo, kung akala natin isang programa lang, dalawang programa lang ang ginagawa ng MSSD, ang dami-dami po. Sana meron kayong nakuha dun sa sangkatutak na mga programa ng MSSD.
Thank you very much po sa MSSD sa pag-invite po sa amin dito po sa isinagawang forum ngayong araw. Actually ho, itong bahay program sa livelihood assistance po at sa GIP Kabuhayan program, ito po yung madalas ho na nag-stand out, mga usually na ipopost namin na programa ho ng MSSD.
Kaya ako saksi ako kung paano sila magserbisyo pagdating sa MSSD.
Panahon ng kalamidad. May nararanasan tayong bagyo, may mga sunog, nandyan agad ang MSSD. Namimigay ng mga relief, namimigay ng tulong. Ito yung may direktang impact sa ating mga kababayan sa panahon ng kalamidad.
First time ko narinig isa-isa ang lahat ng social services mayroon ang MSSD. Maganda rin ito para at least magkaroon ng conversation ang MSSD direkta mismo sa mga katulad naming journalist, maiparating din po namin yung mga observation namin. So napakaganda nito. Sana maulit pa. Maraming salamat po.
Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa invitation mula sa MSSD BARM or nalaman namin ang dami palang programa ng MSSD BARM.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat unang-una sa MSSD BARM sa pagsasagawa po ng itong aktibidad sapagkat sa pamamagitan po nito ay nabibigyan po ng oportunidad ang mga miyembro ng media upang sila po mapakinggan at marating po ang kanilang nais parating sa MSSD BARM.
So marami pong salamat sa pagpaunlak sa aming imbitasyon to be part of this forum, and we hope that, as I said, that this can be mutually beneficial to both MSSD and also yourselves and your outfits that you represent.
Kung meron mang kulay ang amin nagsisilbing tanglaw, ikaw ay